In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage multiple companies and branches in Zoho Books. Accessing and organizing your businesses efficiently in a central system like Zoho Books can save you time, help maintain accuracy across your financial records, and make management straightforward. First up, you'll need to navigate to the Zoho Books platform. Once you've logged into your Zoho Books account, you'll be greeted with the main dashboard. This is your starting point where you can access and manage your existing organizations or create new ones. On the dashboard, you'll find a list of your organizations. Click on the organization you wish to manage. This area shows all the businesses you currently have set up under your Zoho Books account. By selecting an organization, you'll be taken to its primary interface where you can view its specific financial details and make any necessary adjustments. Once you're in the organization view, it's time to utilize the Manage settings. You'll find the Manage button within this interface, which acts as a portal to handle more detailed configurations of your company's financial data. This includes managing user roles, accessing different branch segments, and diving deeper into accounting settings. Take a moment here to explore the various options available under Manage. Next, we're going to focus on adding a new organization, which is particularly useful when your business expands or branches out. Click on the New Organization button, which allows you to input details for another company. Enter relevant information such as the organization name, contact details, address, and any other operational details. Setting up a new organization helps keep each company's records distinct yet accessible, ensuring your bookkeeping is hassle-free. After setting up a new organization, you might want to customize settings or explore additional functionalities available to you. This is where the three-dot settings come in handy. These settings, often found at the top right corner, offer options to fine-tune organizational controls. By clicking this, you can access a variety of configuration options pertaining to users, permissions, and integration settings, tailoring the experience to fit your company's specific needs. Remember, managing multiple companies within Zoho Books doesn't only ensure the seamless flow of your financial data, but also keeps everything consolidated in one accessible place. It's designed to enhance the efficiency of your bookkeeping processes while maintaining precision and consistency across your business endeavors. And that's how you handle multiple companies and branches using Zoho Books. Mastering these steps allows you to comprehensively manage and expand your businesses without losing track of the important details. And thanks for watching. And if you found this helpful, consider checking out more tips on optimizing your business processes using Zoho tools.